Back in 2011, Vertex was not necessarily a very well-known company, but we had big dreams and big ideas. So there was this energy that was cascading through the organization to be different, to do different, and be innovative.
Innovating in manufacturing was the key for success in pharmaceutical development.
We saw the path forward for manufacturing was actually this innovative concept of continuous manufacturing.
Continuous manufacturing is a scaled-down, connected approach to drug product manufacturing. You're running the process through from the beginning when you have a whole bunch of powders to the end when you have a tablet.
We were trying to do something no other pharma company had done before.
The pharmaceutical industry has, for decades, used essentially the same processes.
Pharma industry was really stuck in this batch paradigm.
Batch process is when that quantity of material, that batch, is moved from one process to the other. It's all processed before it moves on to the next step. There are very few places where a batch process makes sense. Continuous processes are faster and better for producing large quantities of material.
When continuous manufacturing was approved, it was actually a phone call from our CEO at the time, and he said, "You have a green light to go." There was really no blueprint to go off of.
Getting the rig up installed and running was incredibly challenging.
So there were some days where I think people felt very overwhelmed and like, geez, are we actually going to be able to do this?
We all knew we were working towards something that was incredibly important for not only the company that we worked for, incredibly important for the patients, and incredibly important for the industry in general.
For the first CF medicine that came rolling off the line, I was there, and so it was a tremendously gratifying moment.
That ability to develop products and get them to the market more quickly was realized in a big way with our most recent product that went from development and to the market in less than 4 years.
Really willing to step out there and take a chance on some of these more innovative technologies and see them through. The experts of CM are here at Vertex.